Welcome to my Amy Family channel. In this video dedicated to Women's Day, we're going to make this lovely bunch of paper tulips in origami technique. To make one flower, you're going to need 2 squares of paper 15 by 15 centimeters. I'm using colored office paper. Let's start with the flower bud. Fold the square in half diagonally. And once again diagonally. We're just marking the lines we're going to need. Now open the square and fold in half like this. And once again in half. Now we're going to need that center point where all of our lines are crossing. Fold all 4 corners of the square towards it. All bends should be very well fixed, so you can help yourself with a ruler. Next step, fold the piece diagonally in half. And again in half, just like that. Now lift up the top triangle and flatten it into a square like this. All the lines are marked so the paper easily understands what we want it to do. Turn the piece over and do the same. Once again, make sure your bends are well fixed with the help of a ruler. For now, we've got this piece of our flower bud. So let's shape it. Guided by this diagonal line, mark a spot around here somewhere a bit below the center, and fold the corners towards it like that. And repeat the same on the other side. Now refold the bud like this. And make the last final bends on the bottom corners. Like that. And the same on the other side. And the last stroke, grab your scissors and make a tiny little hole at the very bottom. No, even smaller than that, like this. Put your finger into the bud and open the sides. Looks very nice, doesn't it? To bring this bud alive, let's use an ink holder from a pen. Use it to curl the petals like that. And that's it. The top part of the flower is ready. Let's move on to the bottom. Fold the prepared green square in half and cut it in 2 along the line. One half will make the stem and the other the leaf. To make the stem, treat the paper with some glue stick. And curl the paper around the ink holder like this, starting from the corner. Apply some more glue onto the last corner and finish curling. Now we've got a nice and strong stem. In my case, I usually get one side of it a bit wider than the other. flatten the wider end. Make it even and cut at least 1 centimeter deep like that. Flatten it in the other direction and make another cut. So we get a little broom like that at the tip. Apply some glue onto these parts. And some more onto the stem at their base. Now we need to insert the stem into the bud. That's what we needed that little hole for. Now carefully screw the stem into the bud. Pull it slowly and gently, and then use the ink holder to press the stem petals to the sides of the bud. I really love how it looks. All we need to do now is make the leaf. It's very simple. Fold the rectangle in half to get the center line. Fold the corners towards it on one side and on the other. Now again, these same 2 sides towards the center line. And the same on this very side for the 3rd time. And the last 2 bends, the sides towards the center line at the bottom. Fix everything in place with a ruler, and the leaf is ready. Bend and curl it a bit to make it look more natural. Really cool. Now go generous with your glue stick around here and press the leaf to the stem. Here you have to wait a bit for the glue to take grip. You can press the parts to each other with the help of a clothespin. So this is the flower I've got. For my bunch, some of the tulips I've made with no leaves. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, and see you soon in my new videos.